We are the professors from Government Engineering College Rajkot, Professor P.B. Somaya, Professor Shraddha Vania and myself, Mazhar Kankot. We took the students of pre-final year and final year to the NHSRCL site at Anand, which is responsible for construction of high-speed rail corridor between Ahmedabad to Vadodara. This site manages the construction activities and the geotechnical testing part of the first phase of this NH high-speed rail corridor between Ahmedabad and Vadodara. The extensive the training, Mr. Arnav Banerjee was the L&T personnel who was responsible for one-day training, which gave us all the details about all the construction activities that is going on and gave us the glimpses of the most high-tech advanced technology which is being undertaken in construction of this high-speed corridor.
The main aspect of this training was is geotechnical lab. This lab had the most advanced instrument and testing facilities that is adopted for getting the most precise result of geotechnical aspect of designing the high-speed rail corridor between Ahmedabad to Vadodara. The soil sample collected from the various locations were evaluated its shear strength using triaxial equipment and consolidation property using advanced consolidometer along with used various tests for determination of the property of the soil. The entire process of evaluating the shear strength and the basic property of the soil is done within 8 to 10 days for a single borehole, so that this lab is working non-stop to avoid the delay in the designing process.
Mr. Arnav Banerjee he's explained during the presentation lots of new things such as green fields and brown fields, ETR, the energy transmission ratio, and also lots of new things which is not included in academic books and also not in curriculum till the day. So we have to be all the thankful for the L&T, all the staff members. We spared the lots of time, and we also thankful to Principal Dr. C.H. Vitlani sir